Let's dive into division. 334 divided by 2. Hey math adventurers! If you're having fun learning with me, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to Let's Stud for more awesome math adventures. Alright, let's start dividing 334 by 2. We'll begin with the first digit, 3. We look at the first digit of 334, which is 3. We're going to see how many times 2 fits into 3. How many times does 2 go into 3? It goes in 1 time. Let's check. 1 multiplied by 2 is 2. Now we subtract 2 from 3. That leaves us with 1. Great job! We're one step closer to the answer. We've got a remainder of 1. Now, let's bring down the next digit, 3, to make 13. Awesome! We have a remainder of 1, and we brought down the next digit, 3, to make 13. Now it's time to divide 13 by 2. We have 13, and we need to figure out how many times our divisor, 2, fits into 13. 2 fits into 13 exactly 6 times. You got this. Let's multiply. 6 times 2 equals 12. Time to subtract. 13 minus 12 leaves us with 1. You're doing fantastic. Keep that amazing energy going. We have a remainder of 1. Let's bring down the last digit, 4, to make 14. Get ready for the final step. Last step, here we go. We have a remainder of 1 and we brought down the 4, making it 14. We need to divide 14 by 2. We're looking at 14, and we want to know how many times 2 goes into it. 2 goes into 14 exactly 7 times. We're almost there. Let's check our work. 7 multiplied by 2 is 14. Now we subtract 14 from 14, which equals 0. No remainder this time. Woohoo, you absolutely crushed it. That's the end of our division. And that's how we divide 334 by 2. The answer is 167. Great job, everyone. So, 334 divided by 2 is 167. We just solved 334 divided by 2 step by step. Remember, even big numbers can be tackled with patience and practice. Keep up the great work. That's all for today. Keep practicing, and don't forget to check out more fun math videos on Let's Stud.